Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have a camping or a travel toilet. So if you have ever been on a road and you have an emergency situation come up, this would be something great to slide into the back of your SUV, back seat of your pickup truck, camper, whatever you have going on. But anyway, so this is the toilet. Basically, it's ready right out of the box. So basically what you do is you are unfolding it up like this, and then you have this clip here that this will go onto that. So that way you have a very nice strong frame. It comes with 50 bags, but you can use a regular kitchen bag. Just obviously use one of the thicker kind. And then basically this piece comes up out of the seat like that. And then you are putting your bag in here. And then you're just kind of casually putting it over the top of the seat. And then you put this frame in here to hold the bag in place. And then you are basically good to go. So anyway, I'm about 210 pounds, so I'll drop this down. I'll sit on top of this to show you how strong and rugged this is. And then you guys can go from there. So anyway, nice and sturdy. Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.